This is the VEVOR 5-step folding pet stairs. Now, full disclosure, they did send this to me for review, but the opinions in this video are my own. And I will mention you can get this in different heights with different amounts of steps. And instead of the folding design, you can also get this with just solid steps. But anyway, when you get this, it's going to come flat packaged in a box, and it's already fully assembled. All you have to do to set it up is just fold out the legs and then fold out each step. And this is basically made out of these 3/4-inch pine wood boards, and all the wood is nice and smooth, and it feels like it may have an oil finish on it. Then the steps, of course, are made out of pine wood as well, but they have this very grippy carpet stapled to them. And basically how these work is there's this piece of plywood that's on these hinges, so when you're ready to fold it up, you fold it like that, and then you fold this down. Then to fold it back out, you just fold each step up, fold that plywood out, and then push it down like that. And here's a look at the bottom. You can see it has some extra support in there, and there's also some foam pads on the feet. It all folds up very nicely, nice and flat. It also kind of holds itself together, so it's easy to carry around without it flopping all over the place. And it's pretty light as well. It weighs just around 15 pounds. And the weight capacity for these steps is 150 pounds. I'm a little heavier than that, and you can see I can walk up these just fine. I wouldn't recommend exceeding that weight, but up to 150 pounds and you shouldn't have any issues. And I will say, just because of how it's designed with these hinges here when I walk up and down it, some of the steps can be a little bit squeaky, but apart from that, it all holds up just fine. Also, just for some quick dimensions here, each step is about 16 inches wide. There's about 4.5 inches between each step. And for the 5-step setup I have here, it's just over 24 inches tall. But yeah, overall, these look like some nice pet steps. I like how they come fully assembled right out of the box. They seem very nice and sturdy as well, and they're very easy to set up when you're ready to use them, and then collapse and store away when you're not using them.